Good morning, and again today we are doing not a beast, but we are running with the horses today. Ford Mustang, a V8 5 liter. What a beautiful car. So today we're just going to do a quick battery replacement on this one. But this one, the battery is located here in the bonnet or in the hood of the car. And you open that cover and you will see the battery there. So what we use there is we've got a number 10 socket this side, a number 10 socket that side, and a number 8 or 7 down there, and then to release the battery. So let's continue. So this beauty of a car, we're running with the horses today. We are running with the horses. Beautiful car. Okay, so let's continue. Let's quickly do this battery. So today my assistant sorry, no, that side there. Today my assistant is my son, 13 years old, doing battery replacement. He's also working hard to earn an income or an extra bit of money because he's building his computer. Alright, so first that side, and then we go onto the other side of the battery. Yeah, lift it up and gotta just put it aside. Okay, and that side, we loosen that side. Okay. Okay.
It's like cable tie.
Right, so I'm going to help him here to quickly just take out the battery. So you must loosen that side first there as well. And then once that is loose and taken out, then we can take out the battery. So we'll continue. Okay, so just loosening that hold down bracket. Nice, the new battery is in. We're putting a super volt battery in. So next thing, we're just gonna put down the battery hold down clamp again, and like that. And once that is in, then we go positive first, negative last. That side first. Hold down clamp is secure. Now we go for the positive side of the battery, and there we're using number 10 socket. Just make sure that it goes into the rubber, little space that's there. Okay, you'll see that these clamps has actually got a plastic housing there, so it fits perfectly into the little space. You can't do it any other way. Tighten the positive side. Okay, and then we go for the negative side. There again. Now we tighten the negative side. Okay, so let's quickly run the test and see if everything is fine here. So with the battery analyzer, We connect positive to positive and negative to negative. Okay, so let's start the car. I got the keys with me. Let the wild stallions roar. Open up the doors. Let's get inside the car. What a beauty. Just look at that, eh? Just look at that. Okay, start the engine. Oh, just listen to that sound. Magnificent. Magnificent. So, let's run and check quickly. Alright, so we can see the alternator is charging perfectly. System test. Okay, so what we do with the system test, just make sure the aircon, that all is switched off, and the lights are switched off. Then we switch off the car again, and then we start it again to see what the cranking volt is on the car. Listen to that sound. Wow. Alright, so cranking volts is normal. Brilliant. Enter to check the charging test. Idle volts is normal. Alright, so let's put on the loads. In other words, we switch on the lights and the aircon. So lights on, full brights, and aircon on. Okay, let's see what it's doing. Okay, so let's have a look quickly. With the loads on, picked up the loads, the ripple, so that's the normal ripple, and everything is perfect. So brilliant, everything is great here.